And I'm going to show you quickly how easy it is to do that. Now the batteries, again, you can't get an original one now, so you've got to go for a third-party replacement. I got this one off Amazon. That is your battery replacement. It's dead easy to fit, as I'm going to show you now, so we'll just put that to the side. They also give you, in most cases, a little tool to help prise the old battery off, and then the screwdrivers you will need to open up your laptop. Okay, so that's all we've got in there. Oh, so we've got a little instruction manual and a little scraper as well to help prise the batteries off. Brilliant. Right, we'll file that to the side, and then we will get onto this quick replacement. As I'm doing this as well, I will show you how to give it a quick service, your machine, as in, you know, the vents, etc., because they do get full of dust. So we will speed this up while we take all the screws out. I will just stop it there and show you, look, as soon as I took this off, it's springing up because I already know this battery has an issue. It's not keeping its charge as properly as it should, and that's springing up because the battery is in need of being replaced, and it has expanded. So there you go. As soon as I can feel the pressure in it, and once we get this one out, you will see why, because all these here have got air or some sort of gas in them where they've expanded. Now, I will show you as well, when you do let me just bring that to there. When you do a quick service on these, you can upgrade the memory as well if you want to. 250 gig. This was a i7 machine. It's going to be fine for what we need. We can upgrade in the future, but for now, we're just going to keep it stock and just get the battery back up to how it should be. So the first thing we're going to do is this here. We lift this tab up, and that let me just show you on this one. Sits in there like so. Can you see? It's quite simple. So we peel this up. Just be careful. Okay, so this piece here needs to, there's two screws there, if we can see, that need to come up as well. We will just do them quickly. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Put them to the side. Then that lifts off. Put that to the side, and then this one should just prise off as well. We've got that little plastic thing somewhere. There we go. You get that with your little battery kit. Just to ease that one off. And then that cable peels away. Just put that to the back there. And then if you're not sure, you can just look at how this one is to undo the battery. Just prise it off, nice and simple. And there we go. as you can see there, the battery is now off the main board, and now it's gently, using the other tool provided, just edge the battery up. As you can see, let's get this side up as well. Just force your knife under, and then you will find it starts coming away anyway. There we go. Can you imagine, guys, somebody does this every day for a job, installing batteries in MacBooks and other computers. Don't worry too much, you're not going to be using it again, so now we've loosened off all the battery, as you can see there. Now there is 2 screws here that you need to remove. It's like the circuit board of the battery. Again, make sure you use the correct screwdriver. I'm going to put them ones there because they're going to be the first ones back in, and then one there. And that is the old one out. Again, as you can see, they're all puffy. They shouldn't look like pillows. That means there's an issue. It's releasing gases in there, and they can potentially explode, but you know. So if you've got a MacBook Pro or any Mac and it's saying battery service, just take the back off and check the condition of these, because if they're like that, they do need replacing as soon as possible, just in case you do have an explosion or a fire, which is not very good in your house. So there's a new battery, nice and fresh, and it's already got it's already glued. It's got the stickers already on, with the glue, so we just peel this back off. Super simple. And then the new one can be seated correctly. We want to line these holes up here with the screw points. Once that's done, you're good to go and press it all down firmly. There we go. So these should just sit in nicely. Again, some people might have took off the old bit of glue, but there wasn't that much there. It all came off quite nicely with the old battery. We'll just get them screws put back in. on that side. On that side. And we're done. We just need to bring that back down. It's still got sticky in it, so it's still got stick in it, so that will just stick nicely over there. Connect that one back onto there. Make sure everything's seated correctly. And we're done. There's no point me showing you screwing it back up, but that's how easy it is to replace a battery in a MacBook Pro. I hope you found this helpful. There's still plenty of life in these machines, as I will show you. We can get it up to the latest operating system. Super simple, super quick. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. There's a screw, the screws at the side here, and then you take two of these off. This bar comes off, and you'll see in these vents here that they are full of dust. So yeah, just take that off, brush it out, use a little hoover, etc., and then it just keeps it running nice and cool. Just show you this bit now. When I put the, come on camera, now when I put the back on, there's no pressure whatsoever. Like I showed you at the beginning of the video, it was popping up just a little bit because of all the gases in these puffed up batteries. So yeah, we're good to go. The laptop is now good as new, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.